Welcome to ECNTRADE Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. With the US dollar, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of 6 major currencies, edging up around about 20 to 25 points to about 93.75, has put a little bit of a shake through some of the currencies. First of all, if we look at the Australian dollar, the market is backed away from the highs of 75.45 and maybe a slight bull trap in place. Now looks for this confirmation from the bearish outside range day, also from the rejection. If we get a close under 74.40, that would reinstate the downside to look towards this 60-day moving average, which is seen somewhere around 73.25. With the RSI buckled, but not quite confirmed the bearish case of yet, I am looking for a further weaker play. And if we do see a cut beneath that 74.40, then yes, I would look for that RSI confirmation from the midway point. And if so, could see further weakness towards that 60-day moving average. The euro, which is weighted to the US dollar at 57.6, has also buckled from the rejection of 116.65. After 2 attempts, the market is now looking somewhat weaker, but we're still waiting for the confirmation from the RSI. Through the midway point, should give further confirmation to the downside, but keep an eye on the US dollar. If it does reclaim that 94 handle, could see a surge. There is still potential that the market's keeping a very close watch on the US Fed, especially with the Fed officials commenting on the recent risk of a potential rate hike coming sometime soon that could see the dollar increase. This would mean that the euro would eventually reach its downside target of the low 115 or my previous call around 113.5. The dollar yen, after the tri-star, which is 3 dojis, bearish, has not quite got that confirmation of a close under 113.80. Close under there would give further confirmation to the bearish case. Look towards a region of 112.75. But from the technical aspect, it is breaking down. So I do anticipate, first of all, from this negative signal that was confirmed yesterday, that is from the pattern, but we're now waiting confirmation of the close. And once we see, if we do see 113.85 under, then yes, we're looking down to that bottom side of 112.75 and reassess. The pound was a little bit wobblier, but still, I don't feel the market's going to break down as much as some of the others due to the recent comments from Governor Andrew Bailey, who has been hinting that they could hike rates very soon. CADJPY has posted a bearish outside range day, now waits confirmation, and a close under 91.40 will give further exposure down to 89.40. Look at the technicals, we're nearly there, getting confirmation, but not quite. If we do see the midway point break on the RSI, should give further conviction to the downside and challenge that 91.40. Gold still not letting up as much, but still looking towards that 1,800 mark. I feel there is a bull trap coming there, and if so, a rejection like previously could send the market back down to, from that is first 1,800 down to 1,748. Oil posts a bearish outside range day and quite close to a hanging man too. With that, could see further weakness. Now a break under 80.50 or 80.45 would give further confirmation of about to the downside and close to around 78.80 as a potential target. Technicals are breaking down, so in light of the current pattern, I don't want to preempt the move, but I would say that we're getting very close to support this eventual turnaround in this bull trend and see a little bit of profit taking coming back into play. Well, that wraps it for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and as always, look out for the intraday report, and I hope you enjoy the great start to the new weekend.